space.
I'll be on the space on the YouTube. Sorry.
On the YouTube.
Asian.
I'm Nina.
No big hair.
Hello.
Do you have a name?
Hello, you already know my name, so I'm just kidding, I'm Asian.
Baby.
She's texting.
Man, that's a bitch.
I'm Pocahontas.
You didn't
I'm
know her
Pocahontas.
face.
Wait, there you go.
Her name is...
Alright, what should be the new topic?
You suck at recording.
I got this.
No one's gonna want to watch.
What should be the new topic right now?
McDonald's.
Alright, so we're at
Burger King.
McDonald's. And today's the party of the Asian invasion versus Latin night.
Yep.
And we're at McDonald's being fat asses. Like,
Actually, in reality, we can't go in the house yet. In reality, we can't go in the house because of the snow.
oh, look at the snow. The snow.
Quote and quote.
And
The snow.
Can't go in until
some
MC
iced tea.
calls the skirt.
MC's not picking up the calls. Watch what she sees this video. MC? You freaking caller?
Why aren't you picking up?
Pick up on my ugly ass phone, alright?
How much space does that hold?
I don't know.
So our crew has major ADD.
That's because we love weed!
You know who has ADD too? My mom. I just noticed that today when I was talking to her. She called you a retard. Like 5 minutes later, she goes, "What am I gonna eat today?" Okay, well, why is she sick? And I was like,
ADD
"What is wrong with you, mom?"
Tell her.
Who's your MC?
Yanni and she's a Yanni. She's in Lower East.
I'm not gonna have that on YouTube, babe, so.
Okay, we're gonna watch the video now. Bye.
Are we gonna watch it? Alright.